All right, good morning. Trying to get logged in here. To see what we got. Good morning, Oracle. Good morning. Let's see. All right. I think I hit snooze, so I'm a little bit late. Tons of market activity. Let me see how. Well, already ran the Asian lows. Now it's running the Asian high there. Only a 25-point range. Don't want to just jump in, so we just missed it so far, I guess. Wanted to kind of just jump in there. Oh, you're going back to code and stuff. Yeah, there's not much going on so far. I mean, we was just kind of ran the low and the high there, but other than that, could continue here. It's pushing above. Let's see, ES at the 45.55 there. We lost that 55 overnight, apparently. Thanks, Oracle. That'd be nice. We appreciate it. Yeah, ES. Did it not make it? Yeah, ES did not make it there. I might jump in here just for one contract. We'll see. Do we? Yeah, we did push up through there. We should get back through that 27, 28 area. Should make one more high here, I'd imagine. At least. All right, kind of just jumped in there, but ES looking like it's going to sweep. Got to get that ES back above the 56 there. It needs the base above the 56. We'll get going. I just took a long there, DeBizzle. Just took a long there, DeBizzle. A quick long. I mean, realistically, if we were in here, we probably would have taken this entry here for the sweep of the low and a little shift to the upside there, or that one there. I mean, a couple of different times could have got in, but it's all right. We took a little scalpy there. Decent long, yeah. Good morning, Juker. Good morning. I don't have anything marked out. I just literally came in here, so. I guess I hit snooze. I don't know. My alarm went off and it said I only had 6 minutes before I go live, and I was like, what? So. Let's just see here. So nice quick push right there above the high. That's usually what you get. It's kind of what we expected yesterday, and it didn't do it. Kind of trappy yesterday for the London. All right, we got everything shared. Do we gain any subscribers overnight? Did we? Let's see. 913. Didn't quite make it to the 915 yet. All right, all right, all right. Now we can zoom out a little bit, kind of take a look. We do have that push up yesterday into the close. It's not the high. This is the previous day high here. So we swept the previous day high and the previous day low. Well, I'm sorry. We swept the Asian low and the previous day low. So that was a key area there. Missing my chart. Where's my chart at? Pivot point to the upside at 885. There it is. Let's kind of take some of this stuff off. This stuff has been traded through already. All right, where's the VWAP? 811. There we go. Let's see. How did it go yesterday, Juker? I didn't do a review video because I was just exhausted yesterday. I didn't get a nap or anything. It went all right. We were green on the 7. I think we have 7 or 8 of the funded accounts. So we had 04. We were green on these, $112 a piece. And then yesterday I activated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. And then we should be at the 7th day on these 7. So, but yesterday we were green on 7 or 8 of them, $100. Just one trade, just kind of follow the process there. We were up on our express funded account, $150. But we were down on the Take Profit Trader funded account. I think we're down $600 on that one. So I had a rough day on that one because just my stupidity, anything to do other than I took entries that I got in late, that kind of thing. But overall, it was okay. We made a few bucks on the 150K. A few $100 here on the 150K, nothing crazy. But it was okay. I mean, the strategy yesterday actually was pretty rough on the win-loss range. We were 6 wins, 4 losses, so just 60%. But luckily, 2 of the wins were on the funded account, so we did break the rules on 2 of the entries. I'm noticing that strategy is not as strong in the afternoons. Much stronger in the morning, much cleaner when price action is not as choppy. Yesterday's price action was pretty choppy most of the day. Good morning, DJ. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Just try to keep it going there. Kind of thinking maybe we take a short here. Yeah, whatever the saying is. Keep chugging. That's an alcoholic saying, Juker. Good morning, JX. Good morning. Ooh. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. Mancini stays out after 11. What's that mean? I don't know. What's that mean, Jax? Let me see. Let's see what Mancini has to say. I forgot to even look. 31st test of 56. Bulls want to defend it overnight to keep 68, 75, 80 back in play again. If 56 fails, we need to retest 42. Next down before data. terms of level, I'd bid direct, still holding a 10% long runner. Have added back a little exposure at 45.56 late day to bring it to 50% size. Level is tested to death, but I will keep trading it until it fails. I expect to take a loss when it does, and this is fine after 10 plus profitable trades off this. There you go. Yeah, I don't know. I don't read the whole thing, so I'm not sure. He swing trades, though. I mean, he's still holding a long right now. So, I don't know. He does hold swings as well. But, yeah, he may not trade during 11 and 2. Very well could be. Repushing here. Bounce right off the VWAPI. The VWAPI on the ES there. I started to take a long there, but yeah, well, we can do that. We can skip the 11 to 2 if we wanted to. I actually used to. I used to only trade 930 to 11 and 2 to 3. Back when I was in the silver bullet zone there, and I only looked for a silver bullet. We used to only trade those hours. Anything in between, I didn't take. So, silver bullet this morning, you know, you really could have taken this long here. I like to use the 3-minute chart, though. So, technically, that candle right at open, even though we pushed through the highs, it did pull back here and kind of push back through. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Helps the channel. If you are interested in trading futures, got all the links down below. Also have the link to the Discord down below too. Kind of double toppy there, ES. Testing the VWAP again on the ES. Kind of want to take a little scalp here. We'll give it a try. Yeah, we should be able to get one more small pop here. Maybe one more run. Who knows? DeBizzle. ES bounced off the VWAP again there, but I got in a little late here. There we go. There we go. A little scalpy. It's so funny because on the funded accounts, like I'm doing the, I want to do the 1 trade, 12 tick, 2 contracts and just be done. But when those setups fail, it kind of makes you be like, it's pretty easy to get 6 ticks sometimes. But if you ever get stuck, like Alpine does sometimes, then you're in trouble. So I don't know. We may take some trade. We may treat some accounts like that since we're going to have 20 or 30. We may trade them 2 packs instead of 4. Oracle wants to trade futures, but he's scared. Come on now. Oracle's trying to troll us here. I mean, we may want to run into the 44s here. We zoom out. That's kind of your next area up there. Oh. Well, I guess we left a little on the table there. Just bouncy, bouncy. There we go. Maybe it does want to run to the 45s. That was like a 786 pullback, whatever you want to call it. Somewhere in there. Do you take any trades during London, Oracle, or you just kind of stick to the New York there? What are we looking for this morning, Juker? What are we looking for? Any ideas? I didn't want to be too aggressive this morning because I just kind of ran in here and turned the computer on, right? I just didn't have any idea as to what's going on. I quickly just marked out the Asian high and the low. But I did have somebody jump into my comments and say that my risk to reward is skewed. I don't know if the person's watching or not, but they said my risk to reward was skewed. It's a negative R. I think they only watched one stream or something because they were watching when I was doing the 20 tick stop loss and the 6 tick profit. And they said that that's bad. And I agreed. I said, yes, I know. That's why I adjusted it to 12 and 16. And they said, no, it still should be a positive risk to reward. I said, yeah, you're right. Oh, you can't stay awake long enough. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Where do you live, Oracle? Anyway, I don't think I ever asked you that. Are you on the East Coast? I think you're on the West Coast, aren't you? I don't even know. Where's Oracle at? Nah, it wasn't Dave Teaches Chicks. It was somebody else. I mean, they weren't being mean. They were just, I think they were trying to help me. And I always take it like that. And I don't ever think someone's like being mean. I just think they thought I didn't know. Which clearly I do. Says, quick note, your risk to reward is not favorable. You risk 20 ticks and reward 6. It's not good risk reward management. Need 1 R to make 2 R or 1 to get 3, not the other way around. If you flip it, you will be gold. I just said I've since updated my R to R 12 to 16. So far that works for me. Thanks for the suggestion. And he says, I would still flip it. Win always must be more than losses as they help you offset in the future, which makes sense. I mean, obviously we always know that. We already know that. And I am kind of wanting to do some more back testing. Oh, you're in Texas. Nice. To see if we can kind of tighten that up a little bit. But for now, this is what's kind of working for me, so I'm going to stick with it. But like I said, they weren't being mean or anything, I don't think. It was just more or less like, I think they thought I didn't know that. Tejas, Texas. I've never been to Texas. Never been to Texas. I was wanting to go, but unfortunately Georgia let me down. So was wanting to go to Houston January 8th, but Georgia let me down. JX is on the South Coast. What is the South Coast, JX? I don't know. High, low, high. Let's see. This is the 1 minute chart we're looking at here. Some good old Texas barbecue. I'll visit one day. There's a lot of decent poker out there in Texas, so I'm sure I'll be in that area one day. Oh, Oracle is. Oh, I got you. That'd be cool. RR and win rate are two different topics. Either of them are good enough, and the other one doesn't have to be that good. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking, Juker. Because the thing is, the win rate with the current setup is 83%. I don't know if I plugged in yesterday's win losses. It probably brings it down a little bit. I think it hovers around 67, 68% if I go to a 1-to-1, 20-20. So I don't know. I have to do the math. I'm sure there's some sort of formula I could plug it into to see what makes more sense. It might make more sense to have a 1-to-1 and it just be 67%. That might be more profitable. I don't know. We may do that. We may switch it to 16-16 or 20-20. We'll see. Originally, I was doing 20 ticks, take profit, 20 tick stop. But I felt like I was like spinning my wheels on that sometimes because of the 1-to-1. 1 win, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 loss, that kind of deal. But we may go back to that. We'll see eventually. I want to do a little more back testing when I get a little time. Maybe over the weekend here we'll be able to delve deeper into that. So far my back testing, I'm only a couple of weeks into that. It's not deep like I like it to be. So, and I don't know how much water I should hold or how much December should hold in the testing, in the forward testing here, because, you know, traditionally December is a little bit weird of a month from what I hear. I don't remember last year. If it was hard to trade or whatever. Did we miss anything here? High, low, move back above that high. Woo, just right here at it. Well, we'll just mark it in. I don't know. I don't like the way the water looks. It's already trading back through it. Doo-doo. All right, high, a low. We have sellers popping through there on the WADA, though. Let's look at the 30-second chart. Let's check out the 30 seconds. Yeah, it looks the same there on the 30-second. I think we're trading into I haven't zoomed out yet. I think we're in a bearish gap here, though. Order block. Well, let's go to the higher time frame here. Yeah, we're in that bearish gap there. So yeah, we're up there in a bearish gap there on the higher time frame. So probably should wait here and kind of look for some shorts. See if we get some displacement out of this area or if we push through there into the 45s. Let's give it a moment here and see. But on the 1 minute, we do have this unmitigated area still. What would be the risk here? 7.5 if you took it off the 50% line there. All right, let's see if this thing pulls back down to the high here. I'll be careful even if it does. If we do take it there, it'll be just one contract. Let's check on our our newfound friend, Mr. Tom Sabo. Let's see how he's doing this morning. Juker turned me on to Tom Sabo. He's an ICT trader. He's currently in a long from 833. So why would he get long at 833? Why would he get long there? I'm curious. I don't know why. That's an odd spot to get long. Oh. See, we get a little bouncy here. Rip it up. He turns me on. No. Oh. Now I just he's I don't know, he's an interesting guy. I'm just not sure why he's long here. He is targeting that 45 area though, that we have marked out, that swing high. Maybe we get it. All right, up $190. Big money, big money. Now we can retire. Well, I've tried my best to kind of blow this account over the last 2 days, and it's just not happened. So I guess maybe today we'll get serious with it. Not in trying to blow it, but I think we'll try to hit the 4,500 a day and see if we can. We'll be aggressive with it again. Here we go, getting displacement. A little bit. Headquarters TV, welcome to the methodical family. You the man. I think he's up on the day, so he just took a stab there. Once I get off the stream, you guys go over there and give Mr. Sabo a watch. Mr. Sabo. I don't know how often he streams. This guy here. Yeah, this is I never even saw this guy when I searched. But Juker mentioned him one day and I pulled him up. Juker said he can't watch him, so you're not missing anything. Well, he seems like a genuine guy, to be honest. He seems genuine, so I like that. I like it. Well, we have push up right here at open, and then price just died. Just died. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, no, I get it. I know why you don't watch Juker. I understand completely. Completely, we know why. But compared to other people I'm seeing in the mornings, right? Like if I just search right now, you got, well, I guess Cammy's live this morning. I think he's streaming the London a couple times a week now. You got the guy that wears the mask, Callisto FX. Like, I don't understand that. Why is he wearing a mask? I don't understand. What is the point of wearing a mask when you stream? Really nobody else on that I see. Right Investments used to be on early in the morning, but I don't see him on anymore either during the night. He's over there with Oracle in Texas. So we're kind of popping up here. Yeah, super annoying. Rather not just use cam. Yeah, then put a mask on. Yeah, that's true. Headquarters, he's robbing the markets. He might be. Is that his MO? He's robbing the market. We're robbing the markets. Let's put our mask on. You might be right there. Could be what he's doing. Let's get some action here. I mean, we are getting nothing after that initial movement here. Very, very slow. He has tested the VWAP quite a few times. He could have another job. I don't know. I mean, why would it matter if you had another job though? If you showed your face. I don't know why it would matter unless he's working from home or something. I guess that could be at JX. Maybe he's working from home and didn't want to show his face. I'm going to put a mask on too, guys. got a job in the financial industry. Does he, though? I don't know. I don't think he does. I guess that is true, Oracle. I didn't think about that, but I don't know. What is he trading? This guy. These three people are not hiding their face. I don't know. All right, bouncing off the Asia high there. It happens to be ES testing the VWAP once again. Let's see if it holds up here. If it sells back down. You're going to wear a football helmet. That's because you're going to headbutt the monitor. I want to see Oracle stream. That'd be fun. We'll get a couple of F-bombs in there. He's on the clock. Yeah, that's good. It's true. I've never watched the guys. I don't even know what he does, like where he's from or anything. But I just always think it's interesting when I see him wearing a mask. Like, that's got to be not comfortable. Got to be not comfortable to have the mask on there. Try to work into 1,000 subscribers, guys. It would be nice to get to 1,000 while we're on stream. At the rate that we're going right now, we'll probably get there over the weekend. So we'll have to have a pretty big day today and tomorrow. We need 86. We're averaging 25 to 30 per day, so probably not going to get there before the weekend, but it would be nice to do that $250 giveaway once we get to 1,000 and also give away the tumbler there. Hopefully one of you guys that have been watching for a while wins it. Not that I don't appreciate the new subscribers as well, but I'd like the people that who have supported me from the beginning to, win the bigger prizes would be nice. Yakondo, what's going on? Thanks for the like. Yeah, Yakondo, I followed you on TikTok there. Where are you from, Yakondo? Is that, are you in the Czech Republic? Based on your TikToks, I don't know if you were on vacation or not. I assume that's you on TikTok. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, it is just Methodical Man. Instagram, Twitter. I need to update my socials. Put the links down below. Free access to the Discord. True, JX. You're Ukrainian. Oh, okay. Nice. You live in Czech. All right. That's what I was thinking based on your TikToks. JX, are you in the Discord? Did you, I don't know if you jumped in there or not. If you did, or if you didn't, send me an email with your Discord name or send me a DM on Discord. We'll get you in there. So the ES is holding. Nasdaq looking a little stronger here than the ES. ES done tested the VWAP now 4 or 5 times. Holding the VWAP pretty strong there. Really got to get that ES above that 56 area to get going here. Yeah, you can send me a friend request on Discord GX if you want. We'll get you in there. It's it should just be methodical, man. Same as everything. What news is this morning? I know non-farm payroll is tomorrow. Let's see. What news are we having today, though? Let's take a look. Oh, we got initial jobless claims, 8:30. That should move the market. I'm really considering throwing on a trade during the 8:30 jobless claims. Don't really have anything else tomorrow. Yeah, not really much. JX is in Central Europe also, just a little further down. So the ES losing the VWAP there, but Nasdaq still holding up. Interesting. Yeah, ES looking weak, Divizzle. You're not wrong. Looking weaker than the Nasdaq for sure. It ran the highs at 57. It's losing the 55 now. Maybe going to trade back down to that 50 area there once again. Certainly looking weaker than the Nasdaq here. So let's see what happens. Does this bring the Nasdaq down or not? This actually looks like a decent spot to take a stab here, to be honest. A little stab long, possibly, but just for me, it would be a little 6-tick stab, but not going to do it. But looks decent if the ES can push back up into the VWAP there, at least test it. But if it just continues to sell, $813.50 on that VWAP now. Let's move this up. Should just be methodical, man. Let me see. Yeah, just methodical _ man. My name. Let's see. You may have to type my name in. I don't know. I'm trying to find. I'm not very good at this thing, so. Well, the link is in the description there. If you just go into the description, the link's right there. JX. Right here. Link is in the description. All right, looking like we're going to sell here now. Yeah, you should be able to just click the link. Dun, 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 dun. I mean, do we just take a lunch here? Or a lunch? A short? Not a lunch. What the fuck am I talking about? I mean, ES selling down to the lows. Nasdaq looking stronger. I guess we'll take a little stab short here. YZF. Yeah, I see you there. Gotcha, gotcha. Let's see if we get this push down here. Just a few ticks, not much. This is probably more of a boredom trade here. Alrighty. I mean, technically, I guess we could push back up into these 28s here. Oops. We didn't mean to move that. 1375. Let's see. We're going to add a couple here probably. But let's see if we get a little push down here. Got about 6 minutes here until the top of the hour. Six minutes until the top of the hour. Let's see what happens. Well, let's see if this thing can push on down here a little further. A little further. Let me go ahead and move our stop down here. Just there. We'll make it a small winner. Stopped out there. Stopped out there. Wasn't really expecting that trade to take that long, but sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. All the things, all the things. We do trade live 5 days a week, London and New York. 3 a.m. Eastern for the London session, 9:15 a.m. Eastern for the New York. If you're just joining us, we do have currently, we're waiting on the 7th day to pass on our 20 funded accounts. So we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 7 Apex accounts that we're at today would be day 7 on those. And then, of course, obviously we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's going to give us 20 accounts. And then we have 1 express funded account through Topstep. And we have a Take Profit Trader Pro account, My Funded Futures, and then 4 funded accounts through Bulenox. A win is a win. And then we're working on 7 more accounts right now, 8 more accounts right now. So if we get those funded by next week, could potentially have 35, 40 funded accounts by next week. So the idea is I'm going to trade those in packs of 3 or 4. I haven't decided which yet. 1 trade a day. 1 trade a day. Oh. Yokondo just longed it. He just longed it. All right, let's see what happens. Good luck, Yokondo. We're with you here. I'm not with you long, but we're with you. We want it to push up for you. Maybe the ES puts in a higher low here and continues up. ES looking pretty weak, though, honestly. We're coming into the top of the hour. Typically, right here at the top of the hour, we get a little burst of energy, a little burst of volume. There was a video years ago about a pro showing his no-loss streak, office, and people entering trades called on his behalf, terminals, and he closed even 5 to 10 points if he didn't feel it. You know, nothing wrong with that. We have a no-loss streak, too. Check us out, JX. We are at 1 winner, 2 winner, 3 winner. Okay, maybe that one was a loser. I think we netted a small loser on that one. Probably. Darn it. My no-loss streak is over. Yeah, pips. All right, here we go. 4 o'clock right now. Yeah, I like a win. Either way. If it's not a loss, it's a win, right? There we go. So there we go. Getting a little energy here at the top of the hour. A little bit. Yes, looking a lot weaker here. It's back to the lows. Nasdaq a ways away from the lows here. 30 points off the lows. All right, kind of pushing here as much as you can push, I guess. 4 points. Going to Budapest on the 20th. Finally, never managed to make the stars align. JX like, we're going. All right, all right, all right. Supposedly there's a macro that turns on at 4:03 a.m. One of my friends told me this. I don't know if that's true. You guys ever heard that? I don't know if it's true, but someone told me that. All right, there we go. Get a little burst of volume coming in here. Come on. You can go. So just put in a higher low there on the ES. Looking like it wants to pump here back up to the 53s. Maybe she wants to go here, retouch that VWAP. Nasdaq still above the VWAP here. Are we finally going to run that 44.50? Look at this 30-second here. What's your target, Yakondo? 44.50. Partial at the swing. Not a bad idea. I want to jump in there, but feels like I'm chasing it. ES bouncing off the VWAP right there. 54s. Let's see. Maybe we'll just jump in here for a quick. The ES is bouncing off the VWAP there, so I'm not so sure here. Seeing some red there on the WADA, so gonna wait a second, see what happens. Might take one more stab at it this morning. We'll see. ES bounced right off the VWAP there. Rejection at the VWAP. Looking weak. Got to see some volume pop back in here on the WADA if I'm going to jump in long. Let's see. Hopefully you got your stops in there, Yakondo, because it's looking weakish now. Didn't run that high. Just putting in a higher low or a lower high. See if the ES bounces or not. Just waiting to see here. Looks like that was just a stop run there. Just kind of stop out some of the shorts. Just kind of watching here. It's not really, like I said, it almost suckered me in sticking along there. Almost did. We're going to just wait. I was going to jump in short there, but we're just going to wait. Maybe we take a play off the VWAP here, 1450. See if we get a bounce there. So I'll take a short if it pops back up to here. We're going to just take a little stab long off the VWAP there. Just look for a small reaction here. A little bit dangerous here during London because you never know if you're getting if the VWAP's going to give you a bounce or not. Well, we kind of got a bounce there, but it didn't tag us in. Now we're tagged in. There we go. Just a little bounce off the VWAP there. A little play off the VWAP. Nothing crazy. Yes, did not quite run the lows there. All right, well, that puts us up $280 on the session. Our goal is $300, so we hit the goal yesterday. A little bit short of it today, but that's all right. Give us a little cushion going into New York. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you are interested in trading futures, we do got all the links down below. Topstep, Bulenox, APEX. If you are signing up for a Topstep account and you're already a customer, please use my link. It helps. Gives me credit for it. I know it's kind of a pain to go through the link, but it's just one thing you got to do. Just look it up. Get the link. If you are interested in joining the Discord, link down below, $10 a month. It's going to do it for me. We'll be back for the New York session, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. I appreciate you guys watching. Jump on over there and check out Mr. Tom Sabo. If you're staying up and you got nothing else to do, let him know that we sent you guys over there. Give him a little support. Give him some subscribes. Why not? Seems like a nice guy. All right, Kondo, take care. Juker, JX. See you guys later on this morning. DeBizzle. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Oracle's probably in the bed already, but